I'm gonna sand the ugly right off of this paint job. And when I'm done, hopefully there's enough clear left on here for me to polish it up and make it look real pretty. Now I noticed that this paint job has never been color sanded and polished before because it still has a little bit of orange peel and even some dust specks in it. And that's positive because that means that there's more material for me to work with here and a higher chance of me ending up with a nice finish. Now the key to success here is only taking off the bare minimum. You don't want to take off any more than you need to because you want to keep on as much clear over top of this base coat as possible. Because if you go through the clear, then you're going to see that base coat, and the base coat does not have a shine. That means it's going to be a dull spot here or even a discoloration, and you don't want that because that defeats the purpose. You might as well just left it like it was. Put on a little wax or something, you know? This is a fine dance between taking too much off and not enough off, and knowing how much is on here, because there could be only 2 coats of clear on here. Hopefully there's like 4 or 5 coats of clear over top of this base coat, and I've got a ton of material to work with. But you never know until you get down to the nitty-gritty here and start sanding and polishing. Well, I've sanded about 95% of the flaws out of the paint. Let's see if there's any clear left on this. POR-15 sent me this one-step compound and polish. Let's see how good this works. One step says it removes 2,000 grit scratches. Well, I'm putting it to the test. Wow, that looks amazing. And I could tell I didn't go through the clear coat because there's no red on my pad. It looks amazing already, but I'm gonna take it to another level. I'm going with the foam pad. Wow, wow. Oh, and it looks even better with the stainless steel trim on here. Man, look at how good that looks. Wow, did that ever come out nice. Look at that. Woo, man. Look at the comparison there. Wow. Now that the top layer of hazy clear is polished off, you can see the true color of this paint. It's hard to tell on camera, but this is a deep candy apple red metallic, and let me tell you something, it is impressive. What a beautiful color. I'm envisioning what this is gonna look like once I sand and polish the rest of the paint, then put the chrome bumpers on and all the trim.